Hello everyone, today I got a 10-year-old bike Scott R15 in my workshop with a problem shifting gears. Actually it was easy to understand that the derailleur hanger was bent. So using a long 5mm Allen key and an extended ratchet for extra leverage, I loosened the bolt and carefully removed the hanger. One of my subscribers asked me to make a video with voice, so let me know what you think in the comments please. It looks like someone's already been in there before. There are clear signs of damaged threads and metal shavings. Some derailleurs are very stiff, so you need to be careful when installing them. We removed the wheel and can see small cracks in the derailleur hanger. We take a 3mm Allen key and remove the two small bolts holding the hanger in place. Trying to fix it's not an option, so it could lead to a crash on the road, so we replace it. The crack has actually spread further and you can see it very clear here. Let's clean the two tiny bolts because we are gonna use them again. So we got derailleur hanger made from softer aluminum than it was before, but it's quite thick, so it should be fine. Anyway, the hanger is supposed to break before the carbon frame does. That's what it was designed for. Let's clean up the dropout a little to make sure the hanger sits properly and straight. Wipe it down and install the new shiny part. Put the derailleur back on, and now the wheel. By the way, this is a Mavic wheel. That looks much better. Everything is nice and straight. Now let's test it. The chain moves up and down. The cassette absolutely perfect. What do you think? Let me know in comments please.